how to log into Waze and see your safe place. In order to log into your Waze app and see your safe place, what you want to do is first of all install the app. So for that, you just want to make sure to go to your app store and install it. So once you're done installing the Waze onto your device, you then need to go ahead and select the open button, and you then need to go ahead and sign in. So if in order to sign in, you could first of all enable all this locations and all that. Tap on the menu and you just want to make sure to go ahead and select login. You could log in with your email or username or go with your Google account as well, and this way you'll be logged into your Waze app. Once you're logged in, you can then go ahead and tap the search at the very bottom, and there you will be able to find saved place. So here it is. You could allow, you then need to go to save place, and this is the field where you will be able to see your save place on Waze app. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.